Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, thank you. I am also fine. Welcome back to our online classes. Yes, we are discussing about the addition operation. Yes, yesterday we saw the addition of large numbers and decimal numbers. Today we will discuss about the addition of fractions. That is, first one, addition of like fractions. In that first, if the like fractions are given, how to add? That is very simple. Addition of like fractions. Yes, if example 1 plus 4, 2 plus 4, yes, if these three are given, only two, will take only two fractions, 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 4. Very simple. First, yes, you take common as a denominator. First, you should remember what are like fractions. The fractions are having same denominator are called like fractions. Yes, here then 4, you take only one common, then yes, then 1 plus 2, add the numerators, 1 plus 2, then it is 3 by 4. Answer is 3 by 4. One more. We'll take 3 fractions. 7 by 8, 12 by 8, 3 by 8. Yes, this is the number. Then here both proper and improper fractions are there. Yes, now take 8 as a common, then add 7 plus 12 plus 3. It is nothing but 7 plus 12, 19 plus 3, 22 by 8. Reduce to its lowest term. Yes, 8 3 is 24. It is become 8 2 is 16. 2 integer, then again 6 by 8. 2 8 is 16 plus 6 22. This is reducing to its lowest form. Yes, clear? Okay, one more. Yes, the fraction like fractions are given. Yes, we should find the sum. Two plus 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7. This is the fraction. In this time, just take 7 as a common denominator, then 2 plus 1 plus 3. It is 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 6 by 7. 6 by 7 is the yes fraction. That answer we got. Yes, like this any number. Yes, 4 by 13. Yes, 5 by 13 and 2 by 13. This is the fraction. Yes, then add these three fractions. 13 you take as a common denominator, then 4 plus 5 plus 2, then 4 plus 5 is how much? 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 by 13. This is the answer. Adding a like fraction is very simple. Yes, yes, 16 by 18, 12 by 18, 4 by 18. In this time 18 is common denominator, 16 plus 12 plus 4. Yes, here 16 plus 12, 28 plus 4, 32 by 18. Yes, then we can reduce to its lowest term. Yes, divide both by the 2's, then 2 16 or 3 is 2's only, 2 16 and 2 9's. Again here 9 1's are 9, 7 by 9. What integer? 7 by 9 is the answer. This is the answer. Yes, this is adding a like fraction. It is very simple. Adding a like fraction, it is very simple. Only the same denominator you take common denominator and add the numerators only. Add the numerators, and what answer you got, then you can reduce to its lowest term. Reduce it to the lowest term, then it is very easy to find the sum. Clear? Okay. Next we will take addition of unlike fractions. We will take otherwise addition of mixed numbers with same denominator. We will take second one, addition of mixed numbers with the same denominator. Here mixed number means yes, whole number and fraction. This is sum of the whole number and fraction. How will you read it? Integer. Whole number is you can take as integer, then fraction we can read. Very simple. Here this is addition of mixed numbers with the same denominator. Addition of mixed numbers with same denominator. Is here example, the mixed number with the same denominator are 2 integer 3 by 4 plus is 1 integer 1 by 4 plus 3 integer 3 by 4. See here the denominator 4 4 4. These are the mixed numbers. This is mixed number 2 integer 3 by 4, 1 integer 1 by 4, 3 integer 3 by 4. These are the mixed numbers. Now we can add it very easily. Two methods are there. Yes, two methods are there. One method add all the integers separately and add all like fractions. This will become like fractions. Yes, that is 2 plus 1 plus 3. This is separate plus again 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Like this we can add. Yes, the integer, this is all integer 6 plus this is nothing but 4 common, then 3 plus 1 plus 3, then 6 plus 7 by 4. This can be written as add both integer separate, fraction separate, then 6 integer 7 by 4 we can write. This is one method. Another method, yes, or otherwise we can take convert into the improper fractions. This mixed numbers into improper fractions. How will you convert? Yes, we can write this 2 4s are 8 plus 3 11 by 4 plus 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5 by 4 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 3 15 by 4. Yes. Now this again like fractions only, but here we converted mixed numbers into the improper fractions. These are improper. Yes. Why? Because of the denominator is smaller than the numerator. Now we can take common 4 as denominator, then 11 plus 5 plus 15. Yes, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 15 31. 31 by 4. Yes, reduce it to the lowest term. That is 4 integer 4 8s are 32, but here 32 is bigger. 4 7s are 28. 7 integer 3 by 4. 7 integer 3 by 4. Yes, here this minus here 4 7s are 16 31. Yes, here 4 8s are 2 4s are 8 plus 11. Yes. Why it is more here? Then 5 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5 by 4 3 4s are 12 plus 3 15 by 4. Yes, then 11 16 16 15 31 4 7s are 28 plus 3 by 4. Yes. Here 7 by 4 it can be written as this 7 by 4 we can write one integer 3 by 4. Again, one integer 3 by 4. This is, yes or no? Then 1 plus 6 again 7. Here this is 7. This can be written as, yes, 6 7 6 4 24 plus 7 31. This is also 31 means it implies reduced to its lowest term 7 by 3 by 4. 7 integer 3 by 4. This answer and this answer both are same only. You should not get confusion. Here, yes, we have taken only whole numbers we added. Here, yes, the integers. Here, the fractions we converted into improper. Then we add. Both are same only. Correct? Yes. Write down this one. One more we will see. That is any one method you can solve. If not both methods, you can solve any one. Either you follow this one or this one. Yes, here 1 by 3 integer 1 by 13 plus next 2 integer 1 by 13 plus one more the fraction 4 integer 1 by 13. Yes, here we can add 3 plus 2 plus 4. It is 9. 9 integer this fraction sum. Now we can take 3 3 13 3 is 39 plus 1 40 by 13. Convert into second method. Improper fraction. 13 2 is 26 plus 1 27 by 13. 4 13 4 is 42 52. 13 4 is 52 plus 1 53 by 13. Now 13 is common. 40 plus 27 plus 53. 3 plus 7 10. 10 plus 0, yes, again 10. Then 1 carry 0. 1 plus 4 5 7 7 12. 120 by 30. 120 by 30 we can reduce to its lowest term. Yes, 13 9s are 170. Then 3 remains. Yes, 39s are 170. 9 integer 3 by 13 is the answer. 9 integer 3 by 13. Yes, we can add in this method also. It is 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 4 9. This 9 integer. Then remaining it is 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 3 by, yes, 3 by 13. 9 integer 3 by 13. That is also very simple. Or this method also we can follow. Yes, write down these two. Write neatly in your notebook. This is the addition of mixed numbers with the same denominator. Two more examples we will see now. This addition of fractions you should not get. You should not forget. If you did not get, you can give a call to me. Yes, observe the previous videos, regular class videos also you can observe. Yes, one more. 11 integer 7 by 11 plus 8 integer 1 by 11 plus 3 integer 2 by 11. This is the number. Yes, we can take direct first integers 19 22. 22 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 10 by 11. 22 integer 10 by 11. This is the answer. But improper fraction. Convert into improper. Then that also we can add. 11 11 yes, 11 square 121 plus 7 128 by 11. 11 is 88 plus 1 89 by 11. 11 3 is 33 plus 2 35 by 11. Yes, 11 bring as common 128 plus 89 35. Yes, then add all these numerators. This, yes, 5 plus 14 14 plus 8 22 2 carry 2 plus 3 5 5 plus 8 13 13 plus 2 15 again 1 carry 1 plus 1 2 252 by 11. Then we can divide this 252 by 11. 11 2s are 22. Yes, 3 remains. Again 11 to the 22. Yes, this is 10 remains. Yes, we can write 22 integer 10 by 11. 22 integer 10 by 11. I told 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10. 10 by 11. That is a fraction. This 11, 19, 22. 22 integer 10 by 11. This is the answer. Clear? Yes. One more. Very simple this addition. Yes. With the same denominator, 6 integer is the 3 by 19 plus 2 integer 4 by 19 plus one more fraction 3 integer 8 by 19. 8 by 19. Yes, direct 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, that is 11. 11 integer 7, 7 plus 8, 15 by 19. 11 integer 15 by 19 is the answer, one method. And we can convert into, yes, improper fraction, like that also we can add. Now we will take 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 by 19 plus 4 by 19 plus 8 by 19. First method. Then it is 11 plus, add these both separated integers and this fractions. 19, 3 plus 4 plus 8. Yes, 11 plus, it is 7, 15 by 19. Then we can write 11 integer 15 by 19 is the answer. Simple now? Yes, write down these two in your notebook. Next we will go with the addition of, yes, unlike fractions. Addition of unlike fractions, that we will see. Converting here unlike fractions to like fractions by finding LCM. LCM means least common multiple. By getting the LCM of the numbers, just convert this unlike fractions to like fractions. Example, addition of unlike fractions. Yes, one unlike fraction will take 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5. Very simple this one problem. Yes, here we should convert this 1 by 2 and 2 by 5 unlike are there. Yes, both denominators are different. We should convert into like fractions. How? By multiplying. Yes, take the LCM of 2 and 5. LCM of 2 and 5, we can write 2 ones are 2, again 5 remains, 5 ones are, yes, like this. Then 2 into 5, 2 into 5 LCM is 10. Yes, 10. Then we should get the denominator 10. Then what will you multiply? 1 into 5, then 2 into 5 plus 2 into 5 is the denominator. Yes, 2 you multiply 5 into 2. Then 1 5 is the 5 by 10 plus 4 by 10. Now converted into a like fraction. Very easy. 5 by 10, 10 common, 5 plus 4. That is 9 by 10. 9 by 10 is the sum. Simple no? You should take the LCM, then convert this unlike to like fractions or equivalent fractions. For this 1 by 2 is equivalent to 5 by 10, then 2 by 5 is equivalent to yes to 4 by 10. Equivalent fractions, then we can write the sum. Simple no? Yes, one more. B. 1 by 5, 2 by 7. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Again here 1 by 5 and 7 LCM. LCM of 5 and 7. 5 one time, both are prime numbers. 7, then 7 one time. Then LCM is equals to, we can write 5 into 7, that is 7 5s are 35. Then convert this denominator as 35. 5 into what number? 7s are 35. Plus 7 into what number? Yes, 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. 7 1s are 7. 35 plus 2 5s are 10 by 35. Then both now converted into like fractions. 35 is common denominator. 7 plus 10 is 17 by 35 is the answer. 17 by 35 is the answer. Simple no? Yes, write down this. After this, 2 more of this unlike fractions. Yes. Three by 7 plus 1 by 3. Yes. Here find the LCM of 3 and 7. Then we can write 3 7. 3 1s are 3. Again 7 not was 7 1s are 7. 3 7s are 21 is the LCM. Yes or no? Then convert these 2 into 21. These denominators. What will you multiply to get this 7? 3 you multiply. 3 into for the both numerator and denominator. For this 3 what will you multiply? 7s for the numerator and for denominator. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21. Plus 7 1s are 7. Yes, 3 7s are 21. Right. 21 is common denominator. 9 plus 7. Yes, what is 9 plus 7? 16 by 21. 16 by 21 is the sum. Simple no? Yes, we will take 3 fractions. We added here only 2 fractions. If there are 3 fractions, we will take like that. Also an example. D yes, here 1 by 4 plus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6. Now find the LCM of these 3 numbers. 4 3 6. Then LCM of 4 3 6 is 4 3 6. First 3 is then 4 not possible. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Then by 2s are 2 2s are 1 2 1s are. Again by 2 Yes, 1 1 1. Then LCM is equals to 3 into 2 into 2, that is 6 to the 12. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. Then these all denominators should be 12. What will you multiply for this 4 to get 12? Yes, 3 is 4, 3 is plus 2 by 3. What will you multiply? 4 is 3 into 4. 6 2 is 12. 5 into 2, 6 into 2. Now we can get the fractions, equivalent fractions. 3 by 12, 8 by 12, 10 by 12. Now 12 is common denominator. 3 plus 8 plus 10. What is 3 plus 8? 11. 11 plus 10, 21 by 12. Reduced to its lowest term, 21 by 12. We can write, yes, here 4 then 7 by 4. One integer 3 by 4 is the answer. One integer 3 by 4. Simple, no? Yes, we should convert the unlike fractions into like fractions by getting their LCM, least common multiple. Yes, write these two also. And next one, it is addition of, yes, fourth one, mixed number with a different denominator. Addition of mixed numbers with different denominators, we will see now. Write these examples neatly in your notebook. Take different examples, change the numbers and try to solve. Practice more problems, more questions, then it will be very easy. You will be perfect. Yes, addition of mixed numbers with different denominators. With different denominators. Yes, here example A, the different denominators will take mixed numbers. Two integer 1 by 4 plus 3 integer 1 by 2 plus 2 integer 3 by 16. All denominators are different. Now convert this time. In this time, convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. First, you convert this mixed numbers to improper fractions. That is 2 4 is 8 plus 1, 9 by 4, 2 3 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Yes, 16 2 is yes, 32 plus 3, 35 by 16. Now unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, get the LCM of these three numbers. That is LCM of 2, 4 and 16 is 2, 4, 16. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are. Again 2, 1, here 4. Direct 4 we can take. Yes. Now 2 into 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 is the LCM. Then you should get here all denominator 16. 9 into 4, 4 into 4, 7 into 8, 2 into 8, 35 by 16. Why? It's already 16. Once you can multiply and leave it. Now write this 9 4s are 36 by 16 plus 7 8s are 56 by 16 plus 35 by 16. Now we can add 16 common denominator, 36 plus 56 plus 35. Or ones place, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 6, 17. Yes, 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 2, 12, 16. Then 127 by 16. Divide this 127 by 16. 16 8s are, it's not possible. 16 8s are, 16 7s are, yes, 100. 16 8s are 100. You can take, or yes, 28, it is bigger. 7s are 112. Then 5 is 115. Now we can write 7 integer 15 by 16. The answer is 7 integer 15 by 16. Yes, clear? Now second one more. B, we'll take here 5 integer 3 by 7 plus, yes, 4 integer 1 by 14 plus, and one more 5 integer 5 by 7, only 5 by 7, mixed number and fraction. Now find the LCM of 7 and 14. It is 14 only. Yes, 5 convert into improper. Yes, this mixed number to improper numbers. Convert. How? 5 7s are 35 plus 3 38 by 7. 14 4s are, yes, 56 plus 1 57 by 14. Yes, then 7 5 by 7. Here 14 is the LCM, 7 and 14. Then 38 into 2 by 7 into 2 plus 57 by 14. 5 into 2, 7 into 76 by 14, 57 by 14. Yes, 10 by 14. Add all. 76 plus 57 plus 10 by 14. Yes, what will you get? 10 67. Yes, 13, 1 carry, 1 1 2 2 5 7 7 7 14. 143 by 14. 10 integer 3 by 14. 10 integer 3 by 14 is the answer. Yes, write down these two. Very simple, this addition of mixed numbers. Addition of mixed numbers with the different denominators. Yes, addition of fractions and mixed numbers. We have one more, that is addition of fractions and mixed number. This is the addition of mixed number and fraction all together. Yes or no? Yes. With this we will conclude today's class, that is addition of fractions. If like fractions are given, unlike fractions are given, or mixed numbers are given with the same denominator or with the different denominator, or mixed number with the fraction given, we can find the sum, we can add. We should be perfect with getting the LCM and multiplication edge. Yes. If you get any doubt about this addition of fractions, you can give a call to. Okay. Thank you.